Looking for the best RGB desk light strip but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best RGB desk light strip based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. AriesWing GOG 1007 BK Monitor Light Bar. Where most gaming lights just flash along with music, this one syncs beat perfect with zero delay. 5 color temps adjust from warm to daylight to match any mood or task. Auto brightness and a glare-cutting 45 degrees beam keep your eyes comfortable through late nights. The dual-bar clamp fits almost any monitor, while RGB backlights and breathing reminders add flair and wellness. Perfect for gamers who want immersion, creatives who need precision, and desk workers chasing comfort. Just plug it in and it adapts. Number 4. Govee H61C3 Robic LED Neon Rope Lights. These lights deliver vibrant, eye-friendly RGBIC strips with 42 segments and 84 LEDs per meter for ultra-smooth color blends. Gamers will love the AI DreamView sync to in-game action and the razor-sharp cuttable design that wraps cleanly around any desk edge. Built tough with 45-degree silicone and glare-free diffusion, they're a cinch to install and built to last. Number 3. Govee H6056 Smart Light Bar. This light bar nails immersive gaming lighting with segmented RGB zones that blend cool to warm whites and vivid RGB for stunning depth behind your screen. Gamers and movie lovers will love how the built-in mic syncs colors to every beat and explosion, no hub, no setup, just instant immersion. Smart home users get voice control via Alexa or Google Home plus full app customization for schedules and effects. Mount it flat, vertical, or behind your screen with included brackets. It's the complete package for next-level ambient lighting. Number 2. HitLights RGB LED Strip Lights Kit. Got a bright idea for your space? These lights snap right on, no fuss, perfect for TV glow-ups, gaming rigs, or TikTok vibes. Double-layer copper keeps them super bright and long-lasting, while the remote covers every color and mode you want. Strong glue sticks for good, so no sagging. Super easy for anyone to set up and enjoy right away. Number 1. PAUTIX 5 USB RGBIC 2M SP548E New RGB Smart IC COB LED Strip Light USB/2M. Tired of squinting at your screen while the room stays pitch black? These USB LED light strips wrap around your TV or desk, flooding dark corners with ultra-smooth RGB light that cuts eye strain in half. Perfect for gamers, binge watchers, or anyone who loves mood lighting. Just sync it to your music or shout voice commands for instant color swaps. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.